Welcome to the Medisha OS User Guides. We will install MPH Cinematic LUT in Kdenlive. Download the file described below the video. In the terminal window, copy the commands you find in the file and press Enter. Now start Kdenlive and go to LUT Filters and apply it to the video imported into the timeline. In the LUTs menu, choose the custom mode, and the important thing is the first LUT, which resides in the opt.mph cinematic LUTs folder. Now save the new video and create screenshots of one frame. With XMView you can compare the results. Good job with the useful and functional Linux distribution, Medisha OS.